Hi, so now let me explain you step by step how you can activate your wealth, what all remedies you have to do to activate your wealth, and how you can see the wealth in your birth chart. So in the last video I already explained you how you have to create your birth chart. So you have to just go on Kundali, you have to write down your date of birth, time and place, and you will get the Kundali which is there in front of you. So now the second house, this is a second house, and this is a most important house for the wealth. So this is a first house, which is also known as Lagna, which I've already explained you in my last video. So second house is the most important house for the wealth. This shows incoming money, your income, your savings. So second house is a most important house when it comes to your finances. So the first step you have to see which zodiac sign is sitting in the second house. So now in this birth chart, the zodiac sign is Libra. So the main money giving planet for this zodiac sign for this is Venus. So if you do remedies connected to the Venus, this will help you to increase your money, increase your savings and increase your finances. The second step you have to check what is the nakshatra lord of the Venus. What is the nakshatra lord of the Venus? The nakshatra lord of the Venus will tell you about how you can improve your finances. So if you started chanting mantra related to the zodiac sign and the nakshatra lord of the second house, you will be started seeing the improvement in the money. So now in this case Venus is sitting in the second house, that is Libra. So if you start wearing more white color clothes, donate things connected to the Venus like curd, uh, like white color clothes every Friday. So this will help you out to enhance your Venus. Praying to goddess Lakshmi also help you to enhance the Venus because Venus is connected to goddess Lakshmi. Now to improve your income in the savings, Venus is here. So if you pray more to the Venus, like if you pray more to goddess Lakshmi, you chant the mantra Shreem on the regular basis, this will help you out to improve your Venus planet. The second step you have to see what exactly is a nakshatra lord connected to this particular house. So nakshatra lord connected to this will be going to help you out. What is a nakshatra lord? So you go on the planetary position and you can check the nakshatra lord connected to the second house. So let's say if it is Hasta nakshatra, if it is a nakshatra is of the moon. So if the second house nakshatra lord is Hast, that is a moon nakshatra. If you work on the moon nakshatra, means Hasta nakshatra is also connected to something which have been God gifted to you. Maybe you have some talent which is God gifted. So if you are going to work on the Hasta nakshatra, you are going to work on the moon, you will be able to get more savings and more incoming money. So this is the easiest way to activate your money. So first you have to go on the zodiac sign, check the planet. Second step is check the nakshatra lord and start working for the nakshatra lord. Still, if you have any confusion related to your money giving planet and nakshatra lord, you can go on charlchakra.com. There is an option chat. You just click on the chat button. There you will be they will be going to ask you to have your date of birth, time and place. We will let you know what is your money giving planet and what is your nakshatra lord. If you started working for your money giving planet and nakshatra lord, you are going to get the success money wise and the career wise. Share this video with your loved one and save this for the future.